Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Thank you for joining the meeting. At
Yep.
first, at first, we should lovely introduce. I
Hmm.
am Faizul Islam, professional digital marketer and SEO expert from Bangladesh. And you, sir?
I am Asian people. I'm from the country near to Indonesia and Australia, Timor-Leste. I don't know you know the new country. I don't know, but now I am in Europe, in Portugal. Yep.
Thank you for information. In this meeting, we discuss all about my work method, and I can share with you some
Yep.
some my previous work, and I will share my package and price with you. I
Yep.
hope
Yep.
I hope it is will be good for you.
Okay.
This meeting is about your YouTube channel. Am I right?
Yep.
Yeah. You want to grow up your YouTube channel. You want to get more view,
Yep.
gets more like, gets more audience in your channel. Am I right, sir?
Yep.
So, as a professional digital marketer, I can help you very well to get
Yep.
more views, get get more audience, and I can help you very well in your in audience in your channel, because as a professional digital marketer and SEO specialist, I know very well YouTube algorithm and YouTube marketing. I visited your YouTube channel. I saw you uploaded something videos. Your video SEO score is very low. Can I share my screen? So something your channel. Show your YouTube channel.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Thank you, sir. In your YouTube channel. Am
Yep.
I right,
Yep.
sir? As a professional digital marketer, I
Yeah.
can help you. I can help you very well.
Yep.
Get more views, and I
Yep.
can help you very well to get
Yep.
more audience in your
Yep.
YouTube channel.
Yep.
Because as a professional digital marketer and
Yep.
as a YouTube specialist, I know very well YouTube algorithm and YouTube marketing.
Yep.
Now I explain one by one working system.
Yep.
After that, if you have any more question, you can definitely feel free ask me.
Yep. Yep.
Especially for YouTube,
Yep.
I have three system of work.
Yep.
First of all, SEO, second promotion, and third one video boosting.
Yep.
The first working system, working method, SEO is
Yep.
optimization. It
Yep.
is very effective and popular work for YouTube.
Yep.
If you completed your each and every video's keyword section, that means if you include your searchable keyword, ranked keyword, and low competitive keyword in your video text section,
Yep.
you can see you can
Mhm.
see lot of audience are coming
Yep.
in your channel,
Yep.
and your videos will be so top
Mm.
top level YouTube search.
Yep.
So it is my first method, and for SEO work, I will
Yep.
use the most popular 10 YouTube SEO tools like TipBuddy, vidIQ, RapidTanks,
Yep.
Moz, Google Planner, and
Yep.
that type of high popular tools, and I complete your one page SEO.
Yep.
Second one, second method, video
Yep.
promotion. I will complete your video promotion work. That means organic. method. Organic marketing. I promote your video on
Yep.
top social media
Yep.
site like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, accordingly to your location and to targeted audience. Then you can see lot of organic traffic in your YouTube channel, and I know lot of hidden tips and tricks then how how to rank a YouTube channel within short time.